Okay, just wanted to show times in tens and units by units. So 37 times 7. And also tens and units times tens and units, which is the higher aim. Let's start with this one. So it's 7 sevens first, and we need to know that 7 sevens are 49. We record the 9, and we carry the 4 from the 49. And then we do 7 threes are 21. Keep that in our heads. And you just add that weighting 4 there, so that's 25. Okay? So 7 times 37 is 259. I always like to do a quick mental one actually there, because I know that 7 40s are 280. So that sort of makes sense, 259. Let's do it now with tens and units times tens and units. And we're going to use the same first step, and then there's going to be another line of calculation because we're multiplying by units and then by the tens. So the units actually is exactly the same as before, whereas we're doing 7 37s. So 7 sevens are 49. You carry the 4 over. That bit of recording is important, that it's quite neat and small. And then the 7 threes are 21 plus the 4 is 25. So that's the 7 37s at 259. Now we're doing this part. And that is 20 times 37. Okay, but if we put a 0 here, then we're shifting all the answers one decimal place, which is basically the thinking is that 20 times something is like 2 times something, and then 10 times bigger. They're sort of equal to each other, okay? So that's the thinking of why now we can do this as just 2 times 7 and 2 times 3, okay? So the 2 times the 7 is 14 as it normally is. Now there is that 1, where does that go? Well, that goes up here actually, and that bit of carrying from earlier on can be a bit of a problem, so get rid of it. Let's have that new bit of carrying. You remember the 2 sevens are 14, so we recorded the 4, and then just carry the 1 up here. And then the 2 times the 3 is 6, plus that 1 that's waiting is 7. What we've actually done there is 20 lots of 37, coming out at 740, which sounds about right again, okay? So we split the calculation into 2 parts, and we add those 2 parts together. So this seems a bit odd because now we're adding, but we're just putting together the 2 bits that we split up, sticking them back together again. So nothing and 9 is 9, 4 and 5 makes 9, 7 and 2 makes 9. So 999, 37 times 27. Again, I like to do a little sort of check. 30 times 40 is 1,200. So 999 sounds about right. Okay, those are the 2 ways we'd love you to be able to multiply. Okay, first step is being able to do this, and if you can move on to this, that'd be great.